definitely recommend this. They did send this to me and did compensate me to make this review, just to be clear and transparent, just so you know. But it's important to show how to do these things. And hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm looking at an item that the company Bounchi sent to me. It comes just like you see here in a box. You can get these in quantities of 20 or 30. And this is what they look like when you get them. And they're all packaged in little individual packages like this here. So what these are door latches, cabinet door latches, if your kitchen cabinets, or even your bedroom set. And I'm going to actually show you how to replace one of these in mine. So stick with me and watch this video. I don't want to show you what the set looks like, what it comes with. Like I said, you can get them in either 20 or 30 in the set. They're antique, brown, copperish, antique. They're antique looking. You can see in the package. I'll take it out and I'll show you actually in a minute. So this is how they come. And it comes. So what's in here is you have a latch, screws right there. Let me get that out of the way. So what you have here, let me show you. So you have an actual latch that actually grabs. You can see this opens and closes like that right there. And you have the actual hook itself. This actually slides in here and out. So you can see that how the door locks. When you open your door, you just push it open like that. And that's how you open and close your door. This is how you can latch your cabinets. Easy to use. It's got the nice smooth rollers on here. You gotta see how these rollers look. It's got that antique brown, antique brass look to it, which actually matches my furniture perfectly. And I'm sure most people, it's fine. And it's inside anyway, so no one's really going to see these regardless. So smooth operation for locking. You can see how that locks like that, and then it really holds it tight, and that's really important. And then you open it up just like that there. Very easy to do. Now, also, it does come with some screws. Here's a set of 4 screws that does come in each one. So each package is one, each kit in each side, each package comes with everything that you're seeing in here. So you can see here. So each one comes with the 4 screws, like you see, comes with the latch, and comes with the holder, just like you see here. Again, the strike, they're calling this the strike and the catch. That's what they're calling that, strike and catch. This catches it, and this is the strike. And just super easy like that. So we're going to replace one in my my drawer, actually in my wardrobe. It's wearing out, and actually this is actually a perfect the solution for that. So these do wear out sometimes. This looks like a decent quality. I like the rollers on this here. It seems to move really smoothly. I like that. And that's just how this works. So again, it's got the spear and the strike and the catch. Okay, guys, so now you can see I'm actually in my bureau, and you can see how this one is wearing out here, this latch here. That's the exact same one I just showed you a minute ago. And I'll just show you that one more time. So this is the one here that's wearing out, and here is the new one. Now these are pretty much universal. You can see here, it's pretty much the same thing. So I'm just going to replace this one, and I'm going to put this one in. This looks like even a little bit better quality than the one I received here. This one here looks like a little bit cheaper. I don't like this one here. This one definitely seems like a little bit more beefy and a little bit better quality. We're just going to take this one out, a couple of screws. We're going to pop this right in exactly where it is, and it should work just perfectly. Just 2 screws here. They come out pretty easy. Here is the first screw. Take that one out. Let's take out the second screw here. Take that. Let's take that out. That is the old one. Take that out. Now we're just going to screw in the new one. And most likely it'll take the exact same screws as well. So when you have this screw here, you can actually adjust the pitch in and out here, so you can adjust that. So make sure the door is closing all the way how it should be. I'm just going to use my finger just to keep it flush to the end here. That screw in there. We'll put the other screw in. Again, very, very easy to do. You can see here. And I'll just snug them down. That's all you have to do. Just like that there. To existing, or to you have a new cabinet you're building it. So you just install them just like this here. Line them up. Really easy to do. And that's it. There you go. That's the brand new one right there. And it works perfectly. Let's see how it closes. Beautiful. Look at that. That is awesome. Perfect. I love that. So this works great. As you can see, really easy to install. You can adjust this in and out if you want to, but this is actually, and it's super smooth operation, much smoother than the other one. I said before, the other one was all worn out. So you can see that's all worn out. The wheels are all worn out. This one is not. Good to go. You can adjust that, but that actually is really, really good. That's actually perfect. Nice. And you can see how it has a little bit of play there. So it gives you a little forgiveness there, which is really important. So that way you don't have to be exact, but really it's got a lot of flexibility, and it really is super. That is nice. I was struggling with this for a long time. So definitely recommend these 1000%. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned how to do something. I'd love to show you the how-to videos. I really appreciate them sending this to me, and definitely recommend this. They did send this to me and did compensate me to make this review, just to be clear and transparent, just so you know. But it's important to show how to do these things and just give you an idea what they look like, and also the quality build is excellent. Appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. See you at the next review, and don't forget to follow the channel for more great videos.